Cocoa collection resorts lie along some of the most stunning islands of the Maldives. Our corner of the world is our everlasting muse. At Cocoa Bodahiku, guests find a gourmet paradise as well as a natural haven. There's something different to discover at each of the 5 restaurants and 2 bars on the island, all with views of the lagoon and the sun. The pleasure of food is openly celebrated, from fine dining to beach barbecues. There is something extraordinary for you to discover every night. The fishing industry in the Maldives is the nation's second biggest industry next to tourism, employing half of the country's workforce and providing a livelihood for much of the population. Today, tourist facilities are the biggest contributors to the fishing industry. The daily catch bought from the neighborhood fishermen is served in every resort, hotel, guest house, and safari boat in the Maldives. A variety of fishing methods are used in the Maldives, ranging from bait and reef fishing to pelagic fishing, which makes up the highest percentage of income earned by the industry. Hailing from Fishing, the island capital of Bar Atoll, our own executive chef at Cocoa Palm Dunicol, Faiz is always on the lookout for the freshest catches from neighboring fishing vessels. He carefully picks them up to work his magic in the kitchen.
Today I'm going to prepare local tuna tartar, marinated with lime juice and then coconut cream. Let's go over the ingredients. 300 gram tuna, 1 onion, half cucumber, 1 tomato, mix bell pepper, just make it more colorful, 1 to 2 limes according to your taste, 50 ml fresh coconut milk.
Being born and bred in the Maldives, the love of fresh tuna is in his veins. At Cocoa Palm Dunicol, Chef Faiz leads a team of over 50 kitchen staff, and he and his team cater to over 200 guests. Their biggest task is to keep up with current food trends and always be ready to offer something exciting and new for the guests, a feat which they proudly achieve every single day.